in the world is this, man? You don't just wake up one morning and just say you thugging. That shit unrealistic, man. Be real with the game. That shit got to run through your blood, nigga.
Wake up, nigga.
You can get your thug on, you can get your thug on, you can get your thug on, and you can get your thug by nature.
Yeah, get your thug on, nigga. I'm calling my shots just how I see it, believe it. My nigga, I G it. Got a few things that's on my mind, so nigga, gon' listen up while I free it. Whatever's needed, I'ma get it. And if I wanna get weeded, I'ma hit it. All of these dramas, niggas, they saying they did it. Lil' they committed. Niggas is buckling up under pressure, nevertheless, still screaming they thugs. If rap don't work for the number one, I'm packing my heat, selling more drugs. Ain't a damn thing ceasing if my bankroll decreasing. I'm open up shop at the first of the month, and nigga, continue my creeping on the come up until I'm done up, dead and gone. You can look at my life and call me bad, but nigga, you read me wrong. And nigga, I be head over heels till I get 50 meal or more. If it's just dough, these niggas wanna kill me for what I refuse to be broke. I'm contemplating murder on the government. Desperado be the model. Hard shit be hard to swallow. Be ready for war if you follow. But 10, 2, 3, 4. Soldiers get your paper, nigga. You die if you a hater. Take it from a thug by nature, by nature. Cause I'm a gotta keep thuggin' with thuggin', thuggin', living a life of a thug. Cause I'm a thug, gotta keep thuggin' with thuggin', thuggin', living a life of a thug. Cause I'm a thug, gotta keep thuggin' with thuggin', thuggin', living a life of a thug. Cause I'm a thug, gotta keep thuggin' with thuggin', thuggin', living a life of a thug. There's a few rules to the game, by now I'm thinking everybody should know. Number one, when you get your paper, don't go around tricking it off on these hoes. Now being a thug ain't nothing easy, not when you rollin' in the Benz. Everybody be out for your ends, you really don't know who the fuck your friends. And paranoia might overrule you, but live to the future, don't blink. Nigga, when your shit might sink, nigga ended up dead or in the clink. And it take a raw dog, motherfucker, stay on top of the pile. Now, I got a style and you got a style, but it's the way gon' pull you down, not me. I'm blowing pounds and seeing clouds, that's how I do it. Picture me rolling through a city near you and staying true to it. Nigga, you see me in the video, I know you see me at the bar. See my diamonds glistening, shining. You been thinking I'm a star, but nigga, by far I'm just a thug. Mix them sharper than the razor. Where you wanna go, Lil' A gon' take you. I'm a thug by nature, by nature.
Let's do this.
Cause I'm a thug, keep thuggin' with thuggin', living a life of a thug. Cause I'm a thug, gotta keep thuggin' with thuggin', living a life of a thug. Cause I'm a thug, gotta keep thuggin' with thuggin', living a life of a thug. Cause I'm a thug, gotta keep thuggin' with thuggin', living a life of a thug. Roll, come and roll with me as I take you on a journey through my hood, motherfucker. You can hear the police sirens blazing after these niggas that's paper chasing, throwing house parties in the basement. I was doing it in the wasteland, nigga, get down and dirty quickly. Really didn't wanna commit that crime. One from my nigga, we had to grind, we had to get down for a crime. Mental mind state about money, murdering bitches to say the less. Even though I know it ain't good to stress, these wicked streets be the test for all niggas. My niggas, y'all niggas, be ready to ball niggas, ready for warfare when we call niggas. Talking about them raw niggas, throw your fist up, take a chance. Niggas is hustling out here getting it. What you trying to do, I done did it. How you trying to live, I done lived it. Only be fucking around with major moves. Niggas done heard the stories. If your shit ain't tight, then I'll fade you fools. You losing to get the glory. Straight up and down, nigga. Round for round, we can make this happen. Niggas be snapping it, guaranteed satisfaction. Bringing y'all nothing but action. Nigga, this here is what the game made me. Well, Layzie, I'm just a thug and that's the thing to be. Nigga, this here is what the game made me. I'm just a thug and that's the thing to be. Cause I'm a thug, keep thuggin' with thuggin', living a life of a thug. Cause I'm a thug, gotta keep thuggin' with thuggin', living a life of a thug. Cause I'm a thug, gotta keep thuggin' with thuggin', living a life of a thug. Cause I'm a thug, gotta keep thuggin' with thuggin', living a life of a thug.
Millennium Dusters, nigga. Yeah, Layzie Bone, nigga. Lil' Light, yeah, L. Burn.
Mo thug, mo thug, mo thug, mo thug, nigga. Yeah. Cause I'm a thug out,